Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you're going to need 2 black beans, 2 cherry tomatoes, 1 carrot, 4 cucumber slices, and a handful of chives. You're also going to need to have your carrot shredded. Let's get started. You will see my ingredients are off to the side and I have a spreading tool ready to go. My first step is to take my cucumber slices and put them in the middle of my board. 2 will be on top and 1 will be below. I'm going to use my spreader and cut the lower cucumber into 2 equal slices. I'm going to move them around in various ways to see how they fit. I like them with the rounded edges facing down, but yours could look different than mine, and you know that being different is awesome. Next, I'm going to grab 1 of the cherry tomatoes, and this will be the nose of my lion. It's nice and bright and red. I'm going to grab out the other cherry tomato and the remaining cucumber. I'm going to be using the cucumber as the teeth for the lion, but first I need to cut it. I'm going to cut it in half, rotate them and cut them in half one more time. You'll notice these pieces are quite large, so I'm going to cut these larger pieces into even smaller pieces. I'm going to grab a couple and see how they fit as the lion's teeth. I can grab as many or as few as I want. The more teeth, the more fierce your lion may look. And you might decide that you like longer pieces or shorter pieces. The beautiful thing is you get to decide what to do with your creation. Now I'm going to grab the black beans and use them as the eyes for my lion. Did you know that beans are loaded with protein? And protein helps your body grow big and strong. You can move your beans around to make your lion looking in lots of different ways. You get to choose. Next, I'm going to grab my other cherry tomato and I'm going to slice this into 4 pieces. I'm going to slice down the middle and then once again slice the cherry in half. Cherry tomatoes can be a little juicy and their seeds might squirt out all over the place, but that's okay. I'm going to use 2 of the cherry tomato slices, and these are going to be the eyebrows for my lion. The other 2 I will put off to the side for later. Here comes the fun part. We now get to use our carrot shreds as the lion's mane. Only boy lions have manes, so your lion's going to have to be a boy. Your carrots might be in different sizes and shapes. Some might be thick, some might be little and thin. That's okay. It'll make your mane look really cool. You can start to spread your carrot shreds out as much as you want. Look at my lion. He's got a really thick mane and he looks like he might be roaring. Now I'm going to take my 2 other tomato slices and these are going to be the ears for my lion. I could point them up, I could lay them on the rounded side. I think I'll just put them on the flat side and make them look like the ears are a little folded over. Now it's time to grab our chives. Chives are an herb that tastes like onions. They work perfectly as whiskers, so our lion's going to have some fun, tasty whiskers. I'm going to move my cherry tomato off to the side so that I can place the whiskers down a little bit easier. I've got my chives in place, so now I can put my cherry tomato back as the nose. How's your lion looking? Is your lion fierce and powerful like a real lion is? And look at all these other goodies you have to eat later. Did you have fun today? I wonder what your lion's name is. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye!